Welcome to the Idoma International Carnival, live here in Otukpo. Our culture, our heritage, Idoma heritage, live here. Opiatoha Ofu, meaning unity is power. We told you earlier that Benue State, we have three major tribes in Benue State. We have the Tiv, we have the Idoma, and the Igede. Here is our beautiful queens, our attire. As you can see, you can see Idoma, Tiv, and Igede all in one. Idoma Carnival, where history meets celebration. That is what we are here. One people, one voice, one Idoma. Rooted in culture, rising to the world. Idoma to the world. Proudly Idoma. Proudly Africa. Proudly Benue State. From our ancestral roots to the global stage. Benue to the world. The spirit of the Idoma, alive and strong.